Oh, you want me to say? So,
Just
this is my school bus that I started converting about a year ago. It's going to be my means to go down to Florida from Illinois to see my grandkids each year. I've got 5 that moved down there, and the rest of them are in Illinois. It has 3 possible names. I don't know what it's going to be yet. I started thinking about doing a school bus about 10 years ago, and I was told by somebody that it was just a pipe dream and it would never happen. So it was going to be Pipe Dream the whole time I was planning this.
That'd be a good name.
I like it, but then I could have a negative. I don't know. But the other thing, when I bought it, it was starting to be converted. The person had it for a year. It was for Accessories for Hope. It's an organization that sells handmade items from women that are getting out of the slave trade. So I was going to leave it Hope, and it still has Hope on it, and it still has her Instagram thing on the back. And then going to Florida this spring, I drove past a sign that said Purple Toad, and I really like that name too. So probably be Pipe Dream or Purple Toad. I haven't decided yet.
Eventually.
It'll get there. So you want to come on in?
Sure.
We can't stay. Oh, maybe not. Here, let me just unhook them so they don't trip you then. So most of the items have been found items. The person who was converting it left 1 seat in here, so I didn't have to pull out any seats. And I left the seat because I have grandkids, and that way I can take at least 3 kids with me and they can be belted in.
Sure.
Eventually I want to get a captain's chair to put here, which will give me a 4th seat, and then will spin around into a dinette. So this will be a little dinette. That's my little cushion couch bed. And it's supposed to slide out on the slats. I really haven't got that worked out yet. It hangs up. So right now it's just me in here, so it just stays flat. And then for my cabinets, this was an entertainment center. This was top and this was the bottom, and I just bolted them in. I've got a cabinet here. This will be a hinged lid so that it'll be all counter space. It's a work in progress. And then that was just a little thing I found also. So this is where I kind of keep my clothes.
Like we always say, is that schoolies are never finished, they're done-ish.
Yeah, it's been changed a lot of times. And then I just got this in, the air conditioner. It's on drawer slides, so it slides out. And then this, I found out on the way up here that I thought it was staying and it doesn't. So this will clip to this little bead hook here, which was originally for this. This was along this wall, and that was the stabilizing point for that.
Well, I like the baskets on the walls. It's nice.
Marketplace. I think they're for outside plants, but it worked.
Yeah. That and the faux stained glass is always nice.
Yep, got that at Lowe's because it was a little bit too much light back here, or openness. Because I liked the windows and wanted to keep the windows, and then I just feel so exposed at night, so we could put those in. So.
Yep. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, do you have any social media contact if anybody wanted to get a hold of you or anything?
Yet.
Okay.
I'm new.
That's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.